Hey everybody, this is Chris and this is my VR6. Today we're installing a rear stress bar on the Jetta.
It's here. Would you look at that?
Alright, so let's talk about it. Rear stress bars, or strut tower braces, help stiffen up the chassis by tying the tops of the rear suspension together. On older cars like this Mk2 here, especially ones with swap drivetrains, stiffer springs, and big torque, the unibody can flex under load. Installing a rear stress bar helps reduce that flex, improves handling, predictability, and keeps your alignment geometry more consistent during hard cornering, acceleration, and the rally style punishment that we're going to put this car under. So let's get this thing out of the box and get it slapped onto the car. So this particular stress bar is from Eurosport. As you can see, this is going to be a pretty simple install. It's just got 2 bolts on each end and all you need is a 14mm wrench to get it done. So let's get this thing in the car. So you can see here that this thing is just going to go between the 2 strut tower braces right up in there. Alright, so you can see we've got it set up in there. Now all I got to do is get in here and get this thing tightened up. Alright, so you can see you've just got it kind of fit up in there as a test fit. Now all I got to do is get her in there and tighten it up. A little tight in here. Little pointer, it is way easier to get these things in first on the back side and then do the bar, but it's always a good idea to do a test fit first. You know what? Let's go grab a socket. Let's try that again. Looks like we need a deep weld. One more time. Take 3. Alright, on this side, I think I got that guy a little too tight on this side. Loosen that up a little bit just so we get even threads on these bolts. And there we are. So as you can see, we got it fully installed. And I have to say, for about $100, including a little bit of shipping, so let's call it $125, this is one of the easiest mods you can do to your car to help out with handling. I highly recommend it. I wish I could take it out and show you guys the driving video today. It's coming very soon, I promise. Thanks for sticking around with me today. Make sure and hit like and subscribe below and leave a comment and let me know what you think about this install. And this is my VR6.